CatRat. He told us to meet him here.
Gabby, look! Hey, it's from CatRat. It says, let's play together. Find me by following my clues. What clues?
What's this? This is a Connect the Dots game.
How do you play?
There are numbers on the paper. Draw a line to each number in order connecting the dots. The lines will make an image.
Let's connect the dots together.
Count with us.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
7, 8. This looks like a tuba. CatRat must be in a place where there's a tuba.
What room in the dollhouse has musical instruments? That's right, the music room. Let's go.
Hi, Gabby. Hi, Pandy. What's shaking?
Hi, DJ Catnip. We are looking for CatRat.
Sorry, kitty cats. I haven't seen him. I've been playing new tunes on the piano.
Oh, this is so hard.
It's okay, Pandy. We just haven't found him yet, but we're not giving up. Maybe there's another clue by the tuba. Let's find the tuba.
Do you see a tuba anywhere? Here's the tuba.
There's a crumpled up piece of paper inside. Let's open it.
It's another Connect the Dots game. Count along with us as we connect the dots. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
It's a seashell.
What room in the dollhouse has seashells in it? The bathroom.
To the bathroom.
Good luck finding CatRat.
Hi, Mercat.
Hi, Gabby. Hi, Pandy. We're trying to find CatRat, and he left us a clue here. We think it's in a seashell. Twinkling tide pools, I hope you find it. Go ahead and look around.
Seashell, seashell. What about the seashell mirror?
I'm not seeing anything. Oh! Woohoo!
Good job, Pandy. Let's see what the next clue is. This game of Connect the Dots is with letters of the alphabet. You connect the dots in alphabetical order starting with A. Let's say them as we draw.
A, B, C,
D, E,
F,
G, H, I, J. Where would this teapot be?
Kitty Fairy loves to have tea parties in the garden. Let's check there.
Okay, thanks for letting us look around, Mercat.
Sure. Have a spectacular day. Hey.
Hi, Kitty Fairy.
Hi, Gabby. Hi, Pandy. Is it okay if we look inside your teapot? Sure, but I haven't put anything in it yet.
No clue.
That's because you found me.
Good game, CatRat.
Of course, you can't spell game without M-E.
DreamWorks' Gabby's Dollhouse.